Imagine a nation at war with itself. A house divided where brothers fought brothers and fathers battled their own sons. This isn't a distant fantasy. This was the reality of America's greatest trial, its most defining crucible, the Civil War. It's a story of profound loss, unimaginable courage, and the painful, fiery rebirth of a nation. In the mid-19th century, the United States was a country of stark contrasts. In the industrialized North, cities swelled, and the chorus for abolition grew louder each day. But in the agrarian South, an entire economy and way of life was built upon the brutal institution of slavery. These two Americas, bound by a shared constitution, were drifting apart on a sea of moral and economic conflict. The question was no longer if the storm would break, but when. In 1861, it did. The nation fractured. The South, seeking to preserve its system of slavery and establish its own independence, seceded. The North, under the banner of the Union, fought to hold the country together. What followed was a conflict that would not only redraw the map, but redefine the very soul of America. Rising to meet this unprecedented crisis was a man of humble beginnings, a lawyer from the prairies of Illinois, Abraham Lincoln. More than just a president, he became the moral compass of the Union. His voice, steady and resolute, articulated a vision not just of a preserved nation, but of a better one. He believed in a government of the people, by the people, for the people, and that this principle must extend to all. Lincoln's conviction that the nation could not endure permanently half slave and half free set the stage for a monumental struggle. He knew that the fight was not merely for territory, but for the fundamental promise of liberty itself. His leadership, his words, and his unwavering resolve would guide the nation through its darkest hours, though he would ultimately pay the highest price for his vision of a united and free America. For 2 years, the conflict raged with devastating ferocity. The outcome remained perilously uncertain. Then came the summer of 1863, and a small town in Pennsylvania called Gettysburg. Over 3 bloody days. The Union and Confederate armies clashed in what would become the war's most pivotal battle. The fields ran red, and the cost was staggering, with more than 50,000 casualties. Yet, from the depths of this sorrow, a new hope emerged. The Union victory at Gettysburg marked a decisive turning point. A few months later, standing on that same hallowed ground, Lincoln delivered an address that would echo through the ages, dedicating the nation to a new birth of freedom. That same year, he took the monumental step of signing the Emancipation Proclamation. It was a declaration that transformed the war's purpose. Freedom was no longer just an ideal to be debated. It was now the law, a promise to be fulfilled. When the cannons finally fell silent in 1865, the war was over, but the peace was fragile. America was a nation scarred and shattered. Cities lay in ruins, farms were desolated, and an entire generation of its young men was lost. The path forward was unclear. Yet, from the ashes of destruction, the work of rebuilding began. This period, known as Reconstruction, was America's second founding. It was an era of immense challenge and profound change. Newly freed African Americans sought to build lives of dignity, establishing schools, churches, and communities. For the first time, they could vote, hold office, and assert their rights as citizens. It was a messy, difficult, and often violent process. But through it all, the foundation of a stronger, more inclusive, and truly united America was being laid brick by painful brick. The Civil War was more than just a series of battles. It was a profound reckoning with America's identity. It settled, through bloodshed and sacrifice, the question of whether a nation conceived in liberty could long endure. It proved that freedom is not free, and that unity requires a commitment greater than ourselves. The echoes of that conflict still resonate today, reminding us that the journey toward a more perfect union is ongoing. The sacrifices made on those battlefields gave us the chance to become the nation we strive to be. If this story of struggle and rebirth inspires you, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Join us as we continue to explore the powerful moments that have shaped our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.